Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie, and today I want to catch us up on my budgeting that I didn't do last weekend because I went shopping. Okay, so what I want to do is empty my coin purse and put it into my change jar, see if there's anything in here that I can empty out. And I went by the bank and I got $211 to put into my wallet and my savings challenges. And I also want to color in the states of where some of my friends are. So if you are a subscriber and you are not in one of the states that I am coloring in, let me know what state you're from. I'm trying to fill this whole map with all of my friends here on my channel. Let's see if we can color the whole map, okay? All right, let me get myself together, get my coin bank, and we'll start there. All right, now that I have my coin jar, that's empty. Let's see where we are. $105.50. Sorry, my light's right on there. So, $106. All right, and the grand total is $111.37. Oh. Money, money, money. I love the sound of money. That's what $111 and change looks like. That is just fantastic. All right, so the next thing I want to do is color in the states where you, my friends, have told me you are from. We have folks from Tennessee, Indiana, Iowa, Texas, Ohio, Illinois, Florida, Virginia, and Kansas. So, and I have a Nebraska because that's where Katie's from. So I told her she gets Nebraska. Oops. Okay. Just gonna pick a color and go. We're gonna start with Virginia. I'm gonna go ahead and color all of these states in, and then I'll be back once I've gotten it done. All right, there we have it. That's our map. That's all the states that I know where my friends are from. So if you do not see your state colored in, definitely comment down below and let me know what state you are in so that I can color in another state. That's just exciting. That's exciting to know that I have friends that are almost on the West Coast. Do I have any West Coast folks over here? Let yourself be known. All right, let's start off with getting back to the budgeting. And we're going to count the money to make sure that it is, in fact, $211. $50, $70, $90, $110, $130, $150, $60, $70, $80, $5, $90, $5, $205, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11. $211. Perfection. All right, so now that we've counted the cash, now we want to stuff I'm going to start by stuffing my wallet with what I do every 2 weeks. And we have a few dollars left over, so I'll just add them to the ones. All right, gas gets 45. That's 2 20s and a 5. Groceries gets a 50. Dining out is skipped. Shopping gets 30. If you would like to see me have a haul with a budget of $30, it'd have to be like Dollar General or Ollie's or something like that. Perhaps, maybe you want to challenge me to a TJ Maxx haul for $30. I don't know. Let me know what you would like to see, if anything, or I'll just go and spend it as I want, or I might not spend it at all. We just don't know. My buffer always gets a 5 and 5 ones. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now that my wallet is stuffed, I am ready to go. I actually get paid next week, so I would imagine I'm going to have a lot of this left over, and that is fine. But I went shopping last weekend instead of doing my budgeting, and I cannot do that because I already owe the weather, and I just don't want to get any further behind by being silly and doing things I shouldn't. So I got paid on 8/1. I got paid again on August 15th. So, just looking for my pen. 8/15. We're going to do a deposit of $15, and that should give me $265. So we're going to put a 10, a 5, and a 1 in here. Let's see if we have 265. It's time for me to do a condensing again. 100, 200, 20, 30, 45, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and 66. We're going to let it be 266 because a little surprise is always good. Might have been where I had an extra dollar and I was like, just put it down in here. I don't remember. And that's fine. All right, so the next weather, I wanted to do the weather because I wanted to catch up for June and put $46 in here. So, 46, we're putting that in. 20, 40, 5, 46. All right, so we put 46, should be 256. I don't even know why I'm trying to get a calculator out. 256. Oh, August 1st I didn't do either. Oh, I'm so behind. All right. I think August 1st was 66 degrees, but we'll get there when we get there. Okay, let's make sure we have 256. 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80. Wait a minute. I didn't record something then. Okay. 150, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I do? $256 plus 72 plus is 328. Is that what I just counted? That would make me feel much better. 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Thank Jesus. 328. So now all I owe you is for August 1st, and I think that was 66. So I'm going to take the IOU away because I know that I've got to do this, and I remember what the amount was. Goodness. Okay, let's not do that again. So I've gotten that done. Let's see what we have in the 26 weeks, and whatever we need, we'll try and fill it. That's what we have left. I just threw them everywhere, didn't I? That is a problem. Okay. $22, $23, $25, $11, $13, $14, $15, $16, $18, $9, and $5. Okay, let's see what we have left. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Do we have 19 left? 18. Okay. Do we have 14 left? Okay, we'll do 5 and 14. And that is all right with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. Okay, so this is $10, $11, $12, $13, $14 going in here. And then we're going to put this 5 in here, and we're done. We are done until next weekend when I come back with a cash prep and a cash stuff. But for now, I bid you farewell. If you are new to my channel, I just want to say welcome, and thank you for hitting subscribe. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do so. I'm trying to grow to 1,000 subscribers because I really would like to retire. Anyway, so yeah, let me know in the comments If you're a new subscriber, let me know what state you're from so we can color in more of our map. Let me know what kind of content you like to see, and challenge me to my $30 if you want to, and tell me where to go, and I'll see if I can make a $30 run on a budget. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. I hope that you all have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.